In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a coupon code in YouTube. This process is straightforward and I'll walk you through each step. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to YouTube, this guide will help you redeem your coupon code effortlessly. First, you'll want to open your web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you prefer. Once opened, navigate to the search bar and type in YouTube. Hit enter and you should see YouTube's homepage appear at the top of your search results. Click on it to open YouTube. This step is crucial as accessing YouTube directly ensures you're on the correct platform to redeem your code. If you're not already logged in, YouTube might prompt you to do so. Simply enter your email and password to access your account. Logging in is important as this ensures your coupon code is applied to the right account. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your credentials for accuracy. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Help. This section contains useful resources and links that will guide you to the right place for redeeming your code. In the Help section, you'll find a search bar. Go ahead and type Redeem into this search bar. As you type, you might see a list of suggestions appear. Click on the result that says Redeem a YouTube gift card or code. This takes you directly to the instructions and links needed for redemption. Next up, you'll see a link under the title, Redeem your YouTube gift card or code. Click on this link. This action directs you to the page where you can enter your coupon code. It's a simple yet essential step in the redemption process. Now, in the designated box labeled Enter Code, type or paste your alphanumeric code. Be sure to enter it carefully to avoid any errors. This code represents the discount or gift amount you wish to apply. If it's a long code, pasting it ensures accuracy and saves time. After entering the code, click Next. If your code covers the entire cost, your service or product activates immediately. This is a great advantage as it provides instant access without any additional steps. However, if the code only offers a partial discount, you'll need to verify or select a backup payment method to complete the checkout. This step ensures that any remaining balance can be covered smoothly. I hope these steps have clarified how to apply a coupon code on YouTube. By following this guide, you can enjoy your discounted services or products without any hassle. Remember, entering your code accurately and having a backup payment method ready can save you time and potential frustration. Thank you for watching and happy redeeming.